Hi guys, welcome to the beach. This is the Agonda beach in South Goa and I have created a beach makeup for you guys. Now this is going to make you look well rested, put together and also fresh at the beach so that you can enjoy the breeze, the beautiful sunlight. And yeah, this is super simple. It takes me like 2 minutes to do and I did this every day when I was in Goa for 5 consecutive days. Yes guys, so and this lasts really long, right? So if you want to know how to create this makeup, then let's get started. So I've already applied my moisturizer and sunscreen, which is a must at the beach. I'm spritzing some rose water now so that my skin looks fresh, and once I'm done patting it into my skin, I'm going to take this brow product and I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now this is so important and this is a must do, especially when you're at the beach. I'm also going to hydrate my lips so that they stay hydrated throughout the day. And now I'm taking a brown kajal and applying it on my lower lash line. And using brown is sort of your best bet when you are out in the sun. It is not going to make your eyes look harsh and it is still going to make them stand out and it looks gorgeous on your Indian eyes. So once that is done, I'm taking this purple shimmer and I'm just taking it from the inner corner till the center of the eye. This is going to ensure that we add that little shimmer if you want to, but it's not too much, right? So this is going to look really subtle at the beach. And once that is done, I'm going to use a concealer, and this is a very long lasting one. So I'm just going to apply it on the blemishes and the areas where I need a little bit of coverage, and definitely not on the entire face. So just a little concealer and blending it with my fingers. This is one of the best methods to blend your concealer, and set it with a powder. Now the list of the products is given in the description box, so do check that out. Now it's time for the cheeks to create that natural flush of color, and I think tints or liquid blushes are so gorgeous, so much better than the powders. So do try a liquid blush, and I'm just going to blend it with my fingers and it creates the most natural color. Now it's time for the lips. I'm taking this liquid lipstick and I'm going to take it on my finger and then apply on the lips. So I'm not taking it directly and just creating a gorgeous stain. So just blend this color, and who can tell that this was actually a dark red liquid lipstick. So this looks very natural. So you can do this, and this is the look complete, or I have another option for you guys. So I'm taking another liquid lipstick, and this is like a very light pink color for me. So grab a nude lipstick or a very lighter color and apply it, and I'm also blending it with my finger. This is going to make sure that it lasts long and it looks very natural. And with this, the look is complete. I've also put on my hat so that I look like this girl who's chilling on the beach, right? And I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. So make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know your feedback. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, be a part of my family, follow me on my Instagram and watch more videos on my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.